one way in which the operation of an P transistor differs from that PNP transistor. What is that? We need to find here. So we have some points. Is there we need to remember those points in the transistor. There is a NP transistor or PNP transistor. That is, the emitter injects holes into the base of an PNP and the electrons into the base region of NPN. Okay, in the PNP transistors, the holes are major. But in the NPN transistor, electrons into the base region. Okay. In PNP transistor, holes are majority charge carriers, just now I told. In emitter, hence, the emitter injects holes into the base, and in the NPN transistor, electrons are majority charge carriers. In emitter, hence, the emitter injects electrons into the base region. So by seeing these four options, option B, the emitter injects holes into the base of PNP and the electrons into the base region of NPN. This is correct. So option B is the right answer here.